To enable AutoHop on a dish hopper, follow these steps. First, grab the remote control and press the DVR button. From the menu, select the Prime Time Anytime option. Then choose the TV program you want to watch, which should have a red kangaroo in its top left corner. Proceed to watch, and when prompted, confirm that you want to enable AutoHop. Once activated, your show will start playing without advertisements. Enabling AutoHop is useful because it allows you to skip ads and commercials on specific shows and recordings. This feature is completely free to activate and won't incur any additional costs. However, it's necessary to enable AutoHop each time you start a new episode, as it doesn't remain activated by default. By following these simple steps, you can take advantage of the AutoHop feature on your dish hopper and enjoy ad-free viewing.